Hi, greetings of the day. Welcome to my channel AI. My name is Vidya. I'm a cloud and AI architect, a passionate technologist too. In this session, we are going to write a snippet of code towards solving a sum problem in golang that will focus on mapping m into n complexity. A sum problem is a technical algorithm where the sum value is equal to sum of two numbers across same or different array or series of number represented in form of an array. It essentially means that we will iterate through one or more loops independently across these arrays of different or same size, m and n, to find the numbers that matches the sum value in the question. To begin with, we define the package main as usual for the co-programming, and then we import package fmt as usual for using it across printing messages or logging. And then we call upon the function main, which is the entry point for the Go application. We will define sum that takes m elements and n elements and search for 130. We'll replace this m and n later as we define the size of the array. Now we define func sum n end comma m end comma sum end. Let's assume that n and m are same, so we just go ahead and remove it. Just going to say n here. We define array A1 equal to and 4, 7, 3, 11, 23, 53, 42, 12, 78. We also define array A2 likely of the same size, 94, 97, 93, 91, 98, 90, 109, 107. Let's count the number of elements. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 9 elements over here. Sounds good. So we go ahead and replace it with 9 here. So essentially here what it means is m is equal to n with size of array holding 9 elements. Okay, we haven't used fmt and we haven't used A1, A2 yet. Now we will iterate through the arrays and find the sum. What it means is the sum value, which is actually 113 here, should be equal to A1 of I and A2 of I summed up together. Let's say J summed up together. So that's our if. So we'll continue with walking through two loops across arrays A1 and A2 to find if we encounter any sum value as expected. I encounter 0, I less than n, I plus plus. Through this loop, we'll iterate across A1, and we'll have one more loop. Just paste it here, and this time it's going to be J, J, and the second loop we'll iterate through the second array. And now find if we encounter a sum, and then if found, we go ahead and print it. If A1 of I plus A2 of J happens to be equal to sum, then we print fmt dot printf double quote pair that summed up to the sum 113 is percentage d, that is a of I, and percentage d, that is a2 of j. So a1 of j, I, comma, a2 of j. Where there are three values here, again only two, so I'm just missing one. Yeah. And then when found, we go ahead and save this file. Now we perform some sanity checks before we go ahead and compile it. So I see there's a typo here. It's not or operator but plus. And then we want to print the result by a line separator in case there are more than one value that's encountered. So here in this case, because we are returning, you just hit the first occurrence of the sum. Okay, so we are all good now. We save this and then go ahead and run it. (113) is the sum of 4 and 109. So we find 4 here in A1 and 109 in A2. Good enough. So in case now we go ahead and comment this, there's a probable chance that we may hit more than one occurrence on the sum value. We go and see that once again. In addition to sum of 4 and 109, we have also found another hit 23 and 90. resulting in some 113 on continuing the iteration. Fair enough. 23 is here and 90 is here. Fine. So with this we have seen that the loop has iterated twice, once over the size n and second time over the size again n across two different arrays, resulting in BigO notation of m into n, which essentially is of n into n in this case, resulting in a quadratic equation. The time complexity of this algorithm is therefore O of n square, since each element in array A1, the loop in array A2 is traversed. Therefore, the running time of two-sum algorithm shall be O of n square. This is a quadratic equation algorithm, since there are n iterations on the inner loop and another n iterations on the outer loop. Thanks for watching.